Now, I'm now in AirAsia, and I'm going to tell you how to be safe in the airplane. Okay, so this is your seatbelt. First, you place this and place it inside here, and then lift this up, and then it'll come out. If you want to tighten it, just pull this, and then it'll be tightened. And if you pull this, it'll be looser. Next, there's a safety vest under your chair. If you pull this red thing, then it'll come out. How to wear it, you can see it over here. Now let me tell you with the emergency exits. The emergency exits can be in front of the airplane, in the middle of the airplane near the wings, and on the back, the most back of the airplane. And when you hear this, if you hear brace, then if you are sitting at the most in front where there's no chairs like that, you need to do like that. But then if there's a chair, you need to do like that. But then if you have a baby, you need to do like that. When you go to an emergency exit, you cannot smoke, bring anything down, and bring no bags down. Your oxygen mask is on top of you. You just need to press it and it will just come down to you. First, place it on your mouth and then wear the strap. Tighten it and breathe normally. Place the mask on yourself before helping those under your care. Thank you and see you next time. Bye. Remember to like and subscribe.